Hello friends, welcome to my channel VAGPE Media. This is Purnami, and in today's tutorial we're going to see how to create a viral reel just within a few minutes using Canva. Canva is a software which I very often use, so this is how our Canva home screen looks like. So first thing is you'll have to come to the search bar and search for reel. Take a while to open. Now this will open different templates. Today we are going to use one template. Well, here you can see there are many templates which are free and many templates which are having this crown with pro written out here, right? So these are the templates which you can only use if you are having a pro account. Then it will be free. Other than that, if you are using it, you are supposed to make some payment. There are many templates which are free. This template, so to say, is a free template. This is also a free template. So if you want to use, this is again is a template which is free. So you can use any of these templates as well. I'm going to use this template. And first things first, I'm going to change this to my Instagram profile handle name, which is VAGPE.media. Okay. And I will be creating 2 slides. So I'll be duplicating the slide. This is the first thing. Second, I will go to element and I want my video to be shown in a mobile. So first thing is I will give phone frame and we will be taking this frame here. I would be just enlarging it and keeping it here like this, okay. Try not to cut it from the side. So this is how I should be using it. You can make it larger to cover the entire screen. So once this part is done, next is I will grab one only frame, type only frame in the element section and then scroll a little bit downwards. You will find this phone frame. So you'll have to just drag and corner to corner you'll have to match with the frame which you have taken at the back. So once this is done, then next work is you'll have to grab some beautiful videos. It could be your own video. I have downloaded some videos from some free softwares. So I'm going to grab this video first. Now you see this video is in 16:9 ratio. That's the reason to make it fit properly in the frame. I have taken this frame also to beautify and bring some unique features here. So if I if I bring this video, it kind of gets sucked in. So I will be just double clicking it. And I'll be positioning it at the middle so that the best part of the video is visible. Now this has become my second clip, which I don't want. I want to give it a meaning. A small beautiful girl turns out to be a beautiful young lady. That's what I'm trying to mean and convey in this reel. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to drag this and bring it to forward. You see this line is coming, so that indicates that your this video will be in forward. In a forward position, first position. Now I will go and click this same thing, copy, and here I will be pasting it. And then I will right click and detach video and delete this video. That way I will get the exact same frame out here. And I will grab my second video of a beautiful lady in the same situation. And I have purposely selected this so that the background of this flower field remains same, which can convey a kind of message that every girl, small little girl is having a potential to become a beautiful young independent lady. So this is what I'm trying to mean by this. So here again I will be keeping this copied and here I will have to paste it, and then I can change the color, select the text and change the color to whichever color you want. I'm going to give it a pink color and then I will go to effect and I will give it a background. And here also I will do the same thing. I will go to effect, I will give it a background. This will be this I will remain, I will keep and black and white, and this one I will give pink color. So this is how I have done. Now my thing is I want to reduce the size. So one thing is I can grab it and reduce it till here, whatever I want. But or else you can do one thing, you can select here, go right click and split the page. If you want to select one certain part of this video and keep that, then you can do one thing. You can simply, if you want the last part to be deleted, you can keep the cursor here and right click and split and simply delete it. Now I don't want to delete because I want to show you some other features as well. You simply can do it and then you can either delete, keep it selected, delete from here, or else you can delete from your keyboard as well. So I am giving another slit here. Okay, so now I have got 4 slides. So what I will do is I will go to this plus button in order to add a beautiful transition in between 2 or 3 slides. So I will go to this add transition option, which is at the bottom of the side, and upper part is basically adding another page. So I'll go to transition and I will grab dissolve transition. Once I go to dissolve transition, it will ask me for the duration. It is by default 0.5 seconds transition. I can increase or decrease it. So for the sake of this video, I'm keeping it 0.5, the default seconds which they provide. So I will go to this again and I will go for a circle wipe effect. Now circle wipe effect, again given a duration of 0.479, something like that, means it is 5 seconds only. And then it is having another option. So I'll go to another transition option and I will go to circle wipe, but this time I will go out tile. So once I am done, I have given 3 transitions in between. Next thing is animation. I can give, first for animation, you can either take some elements from the element section. So first I'll be showing you a couple of elements. Suppose I want a red heart. So I will be typing heart in this section and I'll be taking one. Now I will go to graphics. After typing heart, you will get all these type of hearts. You can go to all in order to see every possible heart options which you can get here. You can go for graphics. I am looking for a beautiful animated graphics, so I will be taking this heart here. So I'll be making it small and I will be tilting it a little bit and I'll situate it here. Okay, in order to give it a beautiful dimension. Next I'll go to next clip and I will take this one and I will again make it smaller and give it here. Then I'll go to next clip, the last clip, and I will give a different transition. I will give this one because this is in red. So I will make it small and I will tilt it a little bit and I will keep it here at the edge of the phone. It's up to you what kind of an element you want to take. It's absolutely your decision, but I have just shown you a couple of features. Now next thing what I'll do is I will grab a text from here. Now when you'll be going to the 4th icon from top which shows text, it will give you normal text boxes as well as it will show you some recommended texts. These are the styles of or effects with style different texts. Now you see there are also pro texts and free as well. So today I'm going to grab one free text only text effect. You can also take a text box from here and you can make the changes, edit the size, you can increase or decrease the size, you can change the fonts from here, any font you can take, and you can increase the line spacing and letter spacing from this. But today I would be showing you how to add an effect. So first let me go to the first slide and I will be taking this font here. Now I will select. Now you see this font is comprising two lines, right? So I would be ungrouping them first in order to get access of both and to get them separated. So I would be first dragging this first one. So I will be changing it to, then I would be, once I am done with these changes, I will come over here and I will change this text box which I took from here and change the font from here. So here I have shown you 2 different ways to create your text effects by using ready to use effects and by using a text box and then giving it a different effect. There are other effects as well. If you see, there are neon effect, there is glitch effect, so you can use any of these. For me, neon also works really well. if I want, I can change this color to a beautiful blue color. So this there also it is standing out. So I would prefer to go for this color only. Once I'm done with it, my next option is giving an animation. One is giving animation to texts and elements separately. Another I will be showing you giving an animation in the page overall. So in the first slide, I'm showing how to give animation to separately to different elements and text boxes which we have taken. First thing is this, I find this one is coming on top of my text, which I don't want. I want it to be at the back of my text. So what I'll do, I will select this element, I will go to position and I will go to backward. Now what I'll do, I will select this, I will go to animation and I will give it a pan animation. I will come here to yourself, I'll give a shift animation, and then this one I will give a stomp animation. Okay, so like this I can change, and every animation will give you some further adjustment. You can go for both ways, on entry and on exit. So I am giving both ways, or I can even make it for entry. Okay, for enter to on entrance it will give a stomp effect. There are many effects which are free, many are not free. So you will have to go for a free one if you are using a free profile of Canva. So I have shown you how to do it for different elements. And now I will show you how to do this for the entire page. You select the page, you go to Animate, then you will simply go be taken to a page animation. There you can go for a sleek animation or a fun animation. Okay, I am keeping fun animation for it in order to give a kind of idea that how I must have done it, because these two layers will be joining together and overlapping, so that way it will be more interactive. Once I am done with animation, one last thing I am left up with is adding a beautiful audio. Now if you are already having an audio, then if you want you can keep it, but for me I will not keep the by default audio. I will come to upload section and I have got some beautiful audios uploaded. These are basically copyright free. I can go to this upload media and I will get access to all my media bins. From there I can take any of copyright free audios which I usually use from YouTube library or Facebook audio library, but there are other options as well. You can also get beautiful audio effects from elements. You can also get an audio option where you'll be getting segregated, happy under different keyword. You'll get different kinds of musics, and so here I can use different keywords and I can get any similar kind of music from here. So for the time being, I'm taking one audio from here and drag and drop it here. Once you drop it, it will start from where your cursor will stay. So if I keep the cursor here and I will drag it here, it will cover the entire 21 seconds clip. Now you see one thing, wherever there is a transition or a split, the audio also has given it a beat. This is called beat detection, where your transition will happen. There your audio will go into a silent mode or a transition mode automatically, which is one of the best features in Canva. For other softwares we do it manually. So once you are satisfied with it, then I can show you how is it looking finally. This was today's tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed my tutorial. If yes, please consider to give me a big thumbs up. I would also like to know which niche you have done this. You have created this unique reel for your Instagram handle. Do let me know in the comment section. I eagerly wait for your comment. Here I want to make one small announcement. VAGPE Media has come up with a unique Android app. So at this moment it is available in Google Play Store, and our first course on basics of graphic designing and introduction to Canva is out now, and we are providing one early bird offer. Please do download our app. It's my appeal. The link you'll be getting in the description box. So please do avail that link and go to Google Play Store and download our app and start using it today. Hopefully this will help you in your future in order to boost up your knowledge about in these fields. So with that, thank you so very much. If you're new to my channel, please do consider to click the subscription button below. I am also having one Hindi channel. If you are looking for tutorials in Hindi, you can also get that link in the description box. Thank you so very much. Today this much. This is Follow Me signing off for today. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.